Hi, I'm Ryan with the Hayes Bicycle Group. Today we're going to talk about our new Pro Taper handlebars and stems. We are launching a new line of Pro Taper bars and stems. We've got carbon bars here. We're offering a 31/8 as well as a 35 diameter clamp, half to 1 inch rise, as well as our 20/20 bars, which offer a 20-degree sweep. That helps reduce hand fatigue and wrist pain, so it's a really comfortable riding position with these 20/20 bars. Of course, our carbon bars here are coming in at 8/10 width, so nice and wide. You can see you've got cut marks, so you can trim them to your liking. This is also textured here for a really nice clamping surface, so grips, shifters, dropper post levers, everything's going to be nice and solid clamped onto the bar here. And onto our stems. You can see a nice CNC'd anodized finish, again in 31/8 and 35 clamp diameters. We're doing 35 up to 50 mil lengths on these new Pro Taper stems here. Moving on to our alloy bars. Alloy bars, we're doing a flat, a half, a 1 inch rise, and then as well we have a nice big tall 3 inch rise. This is going to be catering to your dirt jumpers or people who are just looking for a more upright position.